Hi, my name is Clémence. Welcome to my sweet digs. But before you come in, subscribe below. Okay, now come in. I live in Greenpoint, Brooklyn with my partner, and we pay $31.50 a month. We get a lot of amenities, it's newly furnished, so I think it's kind of worth it, even though it still hurts to pay that much money. The old apartment is technically bigger than this one, but it was so narrow that you didn't actually have that much space to work with. So moving into a newly renovated building was a big improvement. This is the kitchen. When we first moved here, the whole back wall was covered, so we asked them to remove it and actually expose the wood that we thought was really beautiful. But the downside to that is that it exposed everything because that's the only storage we have. So what we did was decant everything, quinoa, rice, coffee, you name it. This keeps everything organized and clean. A thing that I really like about this apartment is that there's more room to entertain guests, which I didn't have the luxury to do in the last place. I'm half Persian, so a big thing in our culture is hosting and having, guests over, so I just have more counter space to cook and prep. I'm kind of living that side of me a little bit more here, and my plants seem to really like it here. And this is the dining area and the living room. I really like the dining table. It was really, really difficult to get a narrow oak table, but I found one for about $200 on Overstock. And then this couch that I really, really like from Interior Design. We had it custom made to the dimensions of the apartment. I watch a lot of movies, so I'm here a lot of the times. I run a recommendation website for women called Passerbys, as well as co-founded a film festival for female filmmakers called the Female Filmmakers Festival. With Passerbys, I wanted to create a platform where people would share what books they're reading, what music they're listening to, or how did they get that job. I think that was kind of the ethos with Passerbys, and just making it as resourceful as possible. So this is a bathroom. There's not much going on here, but I really like this shower curtain by Parachute. It's in linen, real nice. I keep the bathroom pretty minimal as well, similar to the bedroom. And the bedroom. I went with a minimalist approach for the bedroom just because there wasn't much space to work with. Having less furniture, playing with a neutral palette, beige, whites, kind of helps open up the bedroom. Personally, the bed frame, I'm just a huge fan of Floyd furniture, so that's kind of why I went with this low bed frame. In terms of the other furniture, the side tables are from Amazon. The bench, that's really good as well, because it's pretty narrow, is from IKEA. And it's always good to have some dead flowers too for decoration. When decorating this home, I was actually inspired by a lot of artist studios, specifically the Brancusi's studio in Paris, and Pinterest has also been super helpful for that. So we have a walk-in closet, which is pretty exciting for me because in the last apartment, we had to store most of our clothing in suitcases. The walk-in closet is still a little small, but we found a solution by going to the Container Store and doing their closet system. So what we did is that we sent pictures of the closet completely empty to the Container Store, and they mocked up some designs on how to efficiently use the space. They sent a couple of options. We approved this one, something that utilized the high ceilings. We have two corners, one for me and one for my partner. Everything fits. No longer need to put things in a suitcase. This place is pretty much a dream apartment, but I think by New York standards. In terms of my next dream apartment, I think having more space would be great. It's still a one bedroom, so it's pretty limited if you're living with a partner, but we make do, especially since it's pretty minimalistic. There's more room for things. But yeah, I think ideally it would be great to have more space, and then it would be pretty perfect. Thank you so much for watching my sweet digs. To watch more videos, click here. And to subscribe to Refinery29, click here.